Okay, so today we're going to be packing soap. Part two. We did part one yesterday. Part one was more of like making the soap. So watch that, or because it'll make a little bit more sense. So we're gonna now be packing it. If you haven't, as you could see in part one, we put it all into these. My mom's gonna be the narrator, so
Okay.
take it off.
All right. Thanks, Adi. So, yeah. Hi, everybody. So yesterday, as Adi mentioned, we showed how to make soap, right? And you also saw us pouring the melt and pour. So they both kind of did melt and pour in this mold. And then do you want to? Yeah, it's gonna be and these. So now we can show you. This is now solidified, right?
Going to put
Yeah, this is solidified. So first, what we are planning today is, so I'm going to show you both how to remove each of these, and what you can do is remove each of them, show the pretty shapes, right?
Got it.
And then we are going to pack this in this bag. So I got these bag in Amazon because Adi wanted to, for his school project, wanted to share this with his friends. So this was the best option that was available to me, and there are like, I mean, I don't know how many are there, but this is like pretty reasonably priced. Okay, so let's get to this. I'm going to show you both how to remove these soap
You just
from the
pop it
mold.
out. You just pop
Exactly.
it out.
So it's very simple. So you press the button and you pop these out, and see, it is so simple. And I'm going to show the first shape. It's a heart shaped. There you go. So
Okay.
Nandini, do you want to remove the soap from this? Give it to me and I'll arrange it in the tray. And we have a nice pretty tray. So we're going to arrange each of these.
This is how this one looks.
So it's like a star.
This is a star. This is how the star looks. Can I get it out?
Slowly.
This is how the star.
Yeah, so these were the glycerine based.
Yeah. Can I take out a little?
And this is the one with the part white and part whatever.
Yeah, the soap base. So this is like
This
half
is
and
the
half.
white heart. To be honest, I like this white heart rather than the glycerin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so another glycerin.
This is like half glycerine and half.
Let me take it. Okay, so that's fine.
Okay.
We have all of our things.
So how many do we have in total?
1, 2, 3, 7, 11 soaps.
We have these 11 pretty soap. Again, there are multiple combinations that you can do. You can add different, stuff like, for example, I mentioned turmeric, saffron, or other stuff that you think it will be good in the soap. Now we are going to do packing. So I'm going to show. There's just simple bag. So you're going to open this.
Yep.
And just slide this in. Yeah, just one bag.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, so why don't you, I'll pass on the bags to you. There you go.
Alright.
There you go.
Yeah.
And then you can actually seal the bag. So this thing you can see. You see this wrap? You can remove this and you can close this. So it seals the bag.
How do you open this freaking thing?
It's very simple. So you need to figure out. This is the side you're going to put, and then the thing comes out. But first, you need to put the soap in, otherwise it will stick to your hands.
Okay, so
There you go.
okay, so now.
Do you need my help, Nandini? You got it?
Okay, there.
No, you need to remove this.
Oh, you need to remove this.
This? Of course. So why don't you? Okay, how about this? Why don't you go put them in the? Don't take everything in your hand. Put it here. One at a time. Just put them in, and I can seal it up for you. Okay. Very simple. That's okay. Use another one. That's fine. No
Sure.
problem. No. Use a proper one because if it is ripped, then the soap will fall.
This is how the star looks. Kind of 3D. Everything.
Did you like making soap? So the trip we enjoyed.
It wasn't bad.
Do you think it was easy or was it hard?
It wasn't bad, I guess.
I mean, of course, it was not bad, but was it easy enough for you to follow the instructions and make, or was it a little hard? How would you rate it from 10 to 1? 1 being, super easy, 10 being super difficult.
I'll say it's a 3 process. 2 or 3.
Here you go.
How do you open this?
Yeah, I'll take care of that. Why don't you? You say 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the easiest thing to do.
Okay. What was the difficult part that you found?
Really, it was like, there's not really a difficult part. It's just that it's not that easy to say that it can be a number one. So, yeah.
There you go.
Like, why would you making a video for something that is boring and old?
Okay. So this is a fun project for your school, Adi. So are you planning to take this to your marketplace?
Yeah.
What happened?
Nothing. Just another rip.
Okay.
Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Why don't you just put it in the bag? I'll do the wrapping part of it.
I know, exactly. That's the thing. I do.
You
Okay.
need more bags?
There.
Okay. You have this bag with you. There you go. So you take one, and you should see.
What about this one?
Yeah,
take it.
Did you take? Okay. Any ending comments, Adi? So you're gonna arrange these,
Yeah.
and then
How would we do this?
Okay,
Oh,
here.
It's not really tough to pack it. It's more of like making it. It's not tough to pack it.
okay. So I'm just gonna arrange these. These are all
Okay.
packed, right?
There you
I'm
go.
just arranging so that. And Adi, I don't know if you want to take this straight to your school and you
I could if I want to, but
and arrange it like this, right? So it is pretty, and it's pretty easier, like for school projects, to give it to friends or, you know.
I mean, we're gonna make
Okay.
some not really.
Okay,
We're not gonna make some with both combination not in the video, but just as normal people would.
Okay. Any closing comments for today's video?
I mean, I felt like making the thing is harder than packing the thing.
Okay. Nandini, do you have any closing comments?
Not really, but bye.